Hi everyone, welcome to Power Solutions Unplugged, your inside look at reliable high-performance power solutions from MicroPower Direct. I'm Kevin, and today we're looking at the MSR7805BW, a point-of-load, non-isolated DC to DC regulator designed for high-efficiency compact power conversion. POL regulators like this are a great choice for when you need efficient, localized power regulation, reducing heat and improving system performance compared to traditional linear regulators. The MSR7805BW is designed as a drop-in replacement for the 7805 linear regulators, providing an efficient alternative with up to 95% efficiency, significantly reducing wasted energy and heat dissipation. It supports wide input voltage ranges from 6.5 volts to 36 volts and delivers a highly stable, low noise output in multiple voltage options. This compact regulator also features a high switching frequency of up to 850 kilohertz. Plus, its compact SIP3 package makes it easy to integrate into space-constrained designs. Reliability is critical, which is why the MSR7805BW includes over voltage, over current with automatic recovery and continuous short circuit protection. If you need a high efficiency, cost-effective drop-in replacement for traditional linear regulators, check out the MSR7805BW series. We also offer a wide selection of POL regulators, so if you need a different configuration, we've got you covered.